Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus of first year B.Sc first semester. Okay, so here Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education introduced the syllabus. So this syllabus is to be implemented from 2020-21 academic year. So this is the latest syllabus. So in this particular video I'm going to explain about the syllabus of problem solving in C, so which is related to first year first sem. Next, first year second sem subject is data structure using C, and second year first semester the subject is database management system, and second year second semester object oriented programming using Java. So in this particular video I am going to show only problem solving in C and also the practical problem solving in C lab. Okay. So here the first unit is general fundamentals, introduction to computers, block diagram of computer, characteristics and limitations of computers, applications of computers, types of computer, computer generations. In first unit, second chapter is introduction to algorithms and programming language. Okay, so the second unit is related to introduction to C. So here the structure of C program and first C program, file used in C program, compilation, execution, comments, keywords, identifier, basic data types. So these are the basic concepts of C program. Okay, so in second unit, second chapter is decision control and looping statements. So here all decision control statements and looping statements are involved. The next third unit is related to arrays. So introduction, declaration of arrays, accessing elements of the array, storing values in array, operations on array, one-dimensional, two-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. So those are the types of arrays, one-dimensional, two-dimensional and multi-dimensional. Next, character handlings and strings. Next unit is related to functions, introduction using functions, function declaration, prototype, function definition, function call, return statement, passing parameters, scope of variables, storage classes and recursive functions. In fourth unit, second chapter is structure, union, enumerated data types. So in this chapter those topics are introduction, nested structures, arrays of structures, structures and functions, unions, arrays of union variables, unions inside structures, enumerated data types. And the last unit is related to pointers and files. So in pointers, understanding computer memory, introduction to pointers, declaring pointer variables, pointer expressions and pointer arithmetic, null pointers, passing arguments to functions using pointers, pointer and arrays, memory allocation in C programs, memory usage, dynamic memory allocations, drawbacks of pointers. Those are the topics of pointers. Next, files, introduction to files, using files in C, reading data from files, writing data to files, detecting the end of file, error handling during file operations, accepting command line arguments. So this is the detailed syllabus of first B.Sc first semester computer science. Okay, next, so these are the books. E. Balaguru Swami, Programming in ANSI. Next, Ashok. So these are the recommended books. Next, problem solving in C lab. So here the lab programs are: write a program to check whether the given number is Armstrong or not, write a program to find sum of individual digits of a positive integer, write a C program to generate the first n terms of Fibonacci series, write a program to find both the largest and smallest number in the list of integer values. Next, fifth program is Swapping of two numbers using call by value and call by address. Next one is add two matrix using functions. Next, factorial of a given number using recursion. Multiplication of 2n into n matrix. Next, perform string operations. Search an element in a given list of values. Next, sort a given list of integers in ascending order. And last program is calculate the salaries of all employees using employee ID, name, designation, basic pay, DA, HRA, daily allowances, house rent allowances, gross salaries, deduction, net salary. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So in this 12 program there are some questions. DA is 30% basic pay and HRA is 50% of basic pay. Deduction is 10% of basic pay plus DA. So these are the hints. Next, the 13th program is write a program to illustrate pointer arithmetic. Okay, and next 14th one is write a program to read the data character by character from a file. And next 15th one is write a program to create a book structure and store book details in a file and perform the following operations. Okay, so that's it. So this video is related to problem solving in C syllabus and also the lab syllabus. I hope it is clear. So if you want any other syllabus, comment me in the comment section, and if you have any queries, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.